A trip to the moon. Many people dream about going to the moon and seeing the Earth from far away. The moon is the closest space object to our planet and has no air, trees, or animals. It is cold, quiet, and full of gray rocks and dust. Astronauts wear special suits to protect their bodies and help them breathe. In 1969, humans landed on the moon for the first time in history. They took pictures, collected rocks, and left a flag to show they were there. That moment changed how we see space forever. A trip to the moon is not like a normal airplane ride. You need a rocket to leave the Earth and travel through space. The trip can take about 3 days, and you must bring food, water, and oxygen. The rocket must be very strong to escape Earth's gravity. When you reach the moon, you can feel very light because there is less gravity there. People can jump higher and move slowly like they are floating. Everything looks different when you are standing on another world. Living on the moon is still not possible for a long time. There is no air to breathe and no water to drink. Scientists are working hard to build special homes where people could live one day. These homes would need power, food, and strong protection from the sun. Robots are already exploring the moon to help us learn more. Some people believe that in the future, children may go on vacation to the moon. It would be a new kind of adventure never seen before. A trip to the moon is more than just science. It is also about hope and imagination. It shows that humans can do amazing things when they work together. Many kids today want to become astronauts and explore space. Watching rockets fly and land safely gives people inspiration. The moon reminds us how small Earth is in the big universe. We still have many questions to answer about space and life. A trip to the moon is just the beginning of a great journey beyond the stars.